All right, everybody, I just performed my first test flight of the DJI FPV and checked it out. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. It's clearly a pretty high performance craft. I've put it in just the normal mode, aka the wimpy mode, as I want to make sure that I can fly it competently before starting to take it to the edge of its performance envelope or anything like that. I did registered my craft. I've got the FAA sticker on it. One nice thing would be if DJI were to include some sort of sticker or sticker area where you could put your required label onto the device, because honestly it was a little unclear where to put it, and I really wanted to make sure that I put it in a place where it wasn't going to be obscuring any required sensors or anything like that. So it's a little interesting that they left that as kind of an exercise to the reader. Doing the required firmware update kind of took a little while. It's probably about 10-15 minutes or so. And this fairly complex setup that I mentioned before, where you've got the battery that's powering the headset that then is plugged in via a USB to go to your phone. I'm using my phone to do the recording right now. And then the controller has to be on and the drone needs to be on. And I have yet to pair this bad boy and get this running. I'll get that fixed. I'll get that set up. But yeah, just wanted to take it out for a first order test flight. The clarity is really nice. Did feel just a tiny bit motion sick, so I'm going to have to get used to how to hold my head and sort of what to expect when just moving my own head around. And probably the answer is going to be to not move my head very much and to be seated while I'm flying. It was also interesting that it's not an incredibly wide angle of view, and so I did need to use the control on the controller to go and tilt down, to go and look down to make sure that when I was coming down to land, that it was clear and that was safe. And I almost felt myself wanting to like peek out under my goggles just to establish relative position well. One thing that the goggles did that I really appreciated was after you pick up, it establishes a home point, surprise, surprise, but then it overlays it in 3D on your vision as you're going and flying around. So you have got very clear visual reference for where your home point is, which is really nice. Previous versions, I'd seen like an inset map that shows you where the drone is and a street map and where your home point is. But to actually just have that overlaid on the image that you're getting back from the drone provides really nice situational awareness. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, I could imagine, Fantasy World also automatically integrating with ADS-BN or other sources of GA traffic, and then overlaying that in really clear visual ways. There's no GA traffic anywhere around here right now. I made sure that before taking off to go and take this on just a quick little test flight to make sure everything was working okay. It is working okay, and I'm looking forward to trying out the hand controller and seeing how that works. But the craft does seem like it's working, and that's fun. So I'm looking forward to playing some more with this thing.